Good afternoon. Andy here with Expert Renovation at our siding and roofing job with the masters, Macaria, Isaiah, and the Leyenda, Claudio. Macaria's finishing up breaking a little metal, and this is what a professional vinyl siding and fascia job should look like. Use some Vision Conquest D5 by Allside. Isaiah did a great job on the metal, on the boxing, tied into our existing soffit and fascia. Really nice, clean work. All our lines turned out really sharp. Some finishing details, finish up these last little pieces of fascia, and this job will be finished. Neighbors were happy. This has been going on for a while, looking at the tarp, and that's where it needed to be, is away from the house. Get the back tied in nicely. And this job just turned out really sharp. So if we can help you out with your vinyl siding project, please give us a call, 478-501-0102, and we'll make it easy for you. Thank you for watching.